Hello language learners, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are watching my video for the first time, my name is Sarala. Today guys, day 8 of 30 days challenge. I don't want to talk about anything today, like any kind of learning tips and how I can practice my English. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about anything. So today is the December 31st 2025 and we are at the end of the year, and tomorrow is the new year. And first of all, advance happy new year to every single person out there. And yes, and I want to talk about what I learned in this year. So I already told you in my birthday vlog, like I write some manifestations and this is what I have to do, and some of the resolutions as well. I completed 80% of my resolutions, whatever I write in my diary. I don't know how this year was went. I learned a lot of things in this year, so comparing to my past year, so this year was something I learned a lot of stuff. So being as a content writer and being as a human being, so I changed a lot. I don't know how I changed. When I think about myself, so is this me? Because when I was in 2024, in 2025 beginning, I'm too introvert and I don't know how to express myself. So this kind of girl am I. So now I'm an extrovert in the sense, like, more not mostly extrovert, but still I'm expressing myself in front of anyone, and I can able to talk with every single person. Like, so these kind of videos, especially this podcast and also some of the applications, are very helpful for me to talk with strangers, and I express myself a lot. So that is something i I become comfort to talking with people. Yeah, I feel very proud of myself. In this year I learned this kind of stuff, and I have a lot of plans in my next year, and I definitely write resolution day night. So I want to know how you are going to celebrate the new year. So are you going to write any kind of stuff? I think most of the people definitely cut the cake, and they definitely go to parties, and they definitely celebrate, right? So what you do for this new year? So do let me know in the form of comments. I want to know. Actually, I'm not going to go to any kind of parties, but still I can celebrate every single moment with my family members. So that is what I do. I don't know in the next year where I am, but now I'm with my parents, so I have to spend as much of as my time with my family members. So I'm a kind of girl, like, always spending time with my family members. Every single moment I can celebrate with them, because family is more important rather than anyone, right? So of course I have friends, of course I have a lot of relatives, but still, so family is the just heart. So that is what I want to talk to go. I have a lot of plans. I want to go to shop, me and my brother. So we are going to buy a cake for ourselves, because we are going to celebrate new year, I think. So new year in the sense, like a refresh for our brain, right? Today I had my breakfast at around 3 o'clock. So today I ate my lunch very lately because of my work and everything. So yes, in advance happy new year guys. And I will definitely upload a video. I will try to upload a video. So I have a lot of plans tomorrow. I don't know, but I promise myself, but still I will try to upload a video tomorrow. So if possible, I will definitely make a video there. If not, let's see what will happen. Yeah, this is what all about today's video, and I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and one more time in advance, happy new year to every single one out there. Bye bye.